Laplace transform of derivatives and integrals. So theorem is, let ft be a continuous function for all t is greater than or equal to 0 and of exponential order a as t tends to infinity, and if f dash t is of class A, then Laplace transform of the derivative f dash t exists when s is greater than A, and Laplace of f dash t equal to s into Laplace of ft minus f0. So proof, here we have two cases. Case 1, in this case f dash t is continuous for all t is greater than or equal to 0. Then we know that by definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of f t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. Here we can replace this ft in f dash t. So we have Laplace of f dash t equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f dash t dt. I call it, this is equation number 1. On integrating right hand side of equation 1 by using the product formula, so we have e power minus st as the first function and f dash t as second function. So first function, integration of second function is ft minus differentiation of first function is minus s into e power minus st into ft dt. So minus minus plus, so we can write this step also. Integral, we can write this step also, e power minus st into ft with limit 0 to infinity plus s into integral with limit 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. So on solving further, this term equal to, we can write as limit t tends to infinity e power minus st ft minus f of 0 plus s into this value equal to Laplace of ft. Suppose that this is equation number 2. Now modulus of ft is less than equal to m into e power at for all t is positive and for some constant a and capital M, we have modulus of e power minus st into ft equal to e power minus st into modulus of ft less than equal to e power minus st and modulus of ft equal to m into e power at. So we can write this value as m into e power minus s minus a into t tends to 0 as t tends to infinity if s equal to a. So limit of e power minus st ft dt equal to 0 for s positive. Equation 2, we conclude that Laplace of f dash t exists and Laplace of f dash t equal to s into ft minus f0. And case 2 is, in this case f dash t is merely piecewise continuous function, then the integral 1 may be broken as the sum of two integral in the different range of limit 0 to infinity, such that f dash t is continuous in each of such parts. Then proceeding as case first, so we shall have Laplace of f dash t equal to s into Laplace of ft minus. Next theorem, let Laplace of ft equal to function of s, then Laplace of t power n ft equal to minus 1 power n d power n over ds power n into function of s, where n equal to 1 to 3 and so on. And we can write this theorem also d over ds of function of s equal to f dash s equal to Laplace of minus t into ft also. So proof, we know that the Laplace of ft equal to function of s, or fs equal to Laplace of ft. Hence this function of s can be integrated with limit 0 to infinity. So we have fs equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. Suppose that this is equation number 1. So on differentiating both sides with respect to s by using the Leibniz rule, so d over ds of fs equal to d over ds of integral with limit 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. So we have, by using the Leibniz rule, d over ds of function of s equal to integral 0 to infinity del over del s of e power minus st ft dt plus नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स इसमें 0 होगा. सो वी हैव del d over ds of function of s equal to integral 0 to infinity and differentiation of e power minus st with respect to s is minus t into e power minus st into ft dt, or we can write this integral equal to this type. So we have d over ds of fs equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into minus t ft dt. So next we can write this integral also d over ds of function of s equal to Laplace of minus t ft by the definition of Laplace transform, or we can write Laplace of t ft equal to minus 1 into d over ds of function of s. In general, we can write this formula as Laplace of t power n ft equal to minus 1 power n d power n over ds power n function of s also. Next theorem is division by t. Theorem is, if Laplace of ft equal to function of s, then Laplace of ft upon t equal to integral s to infinity fs ds, or this fs can be written as Laplace of ft also. So this integral is equal to s to infinity Laplace of ft ds, provided the integral exists. So proof, let us consider gt equal to ft upon t, or this ft equal to t into gt, taking Laplace transform both sides. So Laplace of ft equal to Laplace of t gt, or by using the previous theorem we have this Laplace of t gt equal to minus 1 d over ds of gs. On integrating both sides with respect to s with limit s infinity to s, so we have लिखा gs equal to minus integral with limit infinity to s fs ds, and by using the property of definite integral, this gs can be written as integral s to infinity fs ds. जब ये लिमिट चेंज होगा तो ये माइनस साइन प्लस में कन्वर्ट होगा, एंड we can write this gs as Laplace of gt also. So Laplace of gt equal to integral s to infinity fs ds or gt equal to ft upon t. So Laplace of ft upon t equal to integral s to infinity fs ds. Proof. Next theorem is evaluation of integral. So theorem is if Laplace of ft equal to function of s, then Laplace of integral 0 to t fu du equal to 1 upon s function of s. So proof. Consider Laplace of gt equal to integral 0 to t fu d, and we can write this integral equal to 0 to t Laplace of ft du. Also, and g dash t, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो g dash t मिलने वाला है एफ टी, एंड जी जीरो इज ऑल्सो जीरो. सो लाप्लास ऑफ g dash t इक्वल टू लाप्लास ऑफ एफ टी, एंड वी नो दैट प्रीवियस थ्योरम लाप्लास ऑफ g dash t इक्वल टू एस जी एस माइनस जी जीरो इक्वल टू एफ एस. दिस लाप्लास ऑफ t कैन बी रिटन एज सन ऑफ एस. और इसको हम कंपाइल करेंगे, ये वैल्यू जीरो हो गई, एंड जी एस लिखेंगे तो 1 अपॉन एस फंक्शन ऑफ एस लिखा जा सकता है, एंड जी एस कैन बी रिटन एज लाप्लास ऑफ जी टी ऑल्सो. सो लाप्लास ऑफ जी टी इक्वल टू 1 upon s function of s, and gt is equal to the integral 0 to t fu du also. So Laplace of integral 0 to t fu du equal to 1 upon s function of s. Proof. So question is, by using the theorems on transformation of derivatives, find Laplace of cos at. So solution: consider ft equal to cos at. On differentiating this ft with respect to t, so we can write f dash t equal to minus a sin a, and f double dash t equal to minus a square, एंड गिवन फंक्शन में हम t इक्वल टू जीरो पुट करें एफ जीरो इक्वल टू वन मिलता है, और इसमें हम पुट करेंगे एफ डैश जीरो इक्वल टू जीरो मिलता है एट t इक्वल टू जीरो. सो वी नो दैट Laplace of f double dash t equal to s square Laplace of f t minus s f zero minus f dash zero. Putting the values, and we have Laplace of f double dash t मीन्स f double dash t की वैल्यू आपने अभी जो कैलकुलेट की थी वो पुट करेंगे Laplace of minus a square into cos a t s square f t equal to cos a t, and f zero equal to 1 and f dash 0 equal to 0. So we can write as, we can rewrite this step as minus a square Laplace of cos a t equal to s square Laplace of cos a t equal to s. We can rewrite this step as minus a square Laplace of cos a t equal to s square into Laplace of cos a t minus s also. और अगेन फर्दर रीराइट करेंगे तो हम लिखेंगे एस स्क्र प्लस ए स्क्र, एंड कॉमन करेंगे लाप्लास ऑफ cos a t इक्वल टू s, एंड फाइनली वी गेट लाप्लास ऑफ cos a t इक्वल टू s अपॉन s स्क्र प्लस a स्क्र. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. So next question is, by using the theorems on transformation of derivative, find Laplace transform of t sin at. So answer, given that ft equal to t sin at. So we know that Laplace of ft equal to function of s. So on differentiating equation 1 with respect to t, and we have f dash t equal to at into cos at plus sin at by using the product formula of differentiation. Again differentiating equation 2 with respect to t by using the product formula of differentiation. So we have f double dash t equal to minus a square t sin at plus 2a cos at. So at t equal to 0, f0 equal to 0 and f dash 0 equal to 0. And we know that Laplace of f double dash t equal to s square Laplace of ft minus s into f0 minus f dash 0. Putting the values of f double dash t, ft, f0 and f dash 0, and we have Laplace of minus a square t sin at plus 2a into cos at equal to s square Laplace of ft. f0 is 0, f dash 0 is 0, so all values are 0 here, so we can write directly this step also. And further solving minus, and on further solving we have minus a square Laplace of t sin at plus 2a Laplace of cos at equal to s square Laplace of f dash t, ft equal to t sin at. सो हम यहाँ पर t sin at पुट कर देंगे एंड कंपाइल करेंगे. जिन जिन प्लेस पर t sin at दिख रहा है उनको एक पास करेंगे. सो वी हैव s स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर इंटू लाप्लास ऑफ t sin at इक्वल टू 2as अपॉन s स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. ये cos at को हम लिख सकते हैं s अपॉन s स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. सो एक स्टेप में डायरेक्ट लिख दिया गया यहाँ पर ये वैल्यू. एंड we can write this Laplace of t sin at equal to 2as upon s square plus a square whole square also. Answer. Next question is, given that Laplace of 2 under root of t upon pi equal to 1 upon s power 3 by 2, then prove that Laplace of 1 upon under root of pi t equal to 1 upon under root s. So answer, consider ft equal to 2 under root of t upon pi. So on differentiating this equation with respect to t, we have f dash t equal to 2 1 upon 2 differentiation of t power under root t equal to t power 1 by 2, and इसको जब डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो हम लिखेंगे 1 upon 2 t power minus 1 by 2. सो यहाँ पे लिखा 2 into 1 upon 2 t power minus 1 by 2 upon under root pi. 2 and 2 cancel, and finally on simplifying we have f dash t equal to 1 upon under root of pi t, and t equal to 0 पुट करेंगे तो f0 equal to हमें 0 मिलता है. And we know that Laplace of f dash t equal to s fs minus f0. So इस फॉर्मूला में वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे f dash t equal to Laplace of 1 upon under root pi t equal to s Laplace of fs is nothing but this is the Laplace of 2 under root of t upon pi minus 0. So or we have s into Laplace of t power 2 is equal to t power 1 by 2 equal to gamma of 3 by 2 upon s power 3 by 2. On simplifying, gamma 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into into gamma of 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 under root of pi. So pi and pi cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. Finally we have s into s power 3 by 2. और फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये वैल्यू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट एस मिलती है। यही हमारा आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड लाप्लास ऑफ इंटीग्रल 0 to t t square dt. So given value is this, given that Laplace of integral 0 to t t square dt. हमने भी थ्योरम प्रूव किया था। अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में इंटीग्रल 0 to t दिखे तो आप लिखेंगे 1 upon s और इस इंटीग्रल को यहां से रिमूव कर देंगे एंड लाप्लास ऑफ हमें सिर्फ फाइंड करना रहेगा टी स्क्वायर का। जो वैल्यू का इंटीग्रेशन कर रहे हैं उसी का हम लाप्लास लिखेंगे एंड लाप्लास ऑफ टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला लाप्लास ऑफ टी पावर n इक्वल टू गामा n प्लस 1 upon s power n plus 1. Here n equal to 2, so we have 1 upon s into gamma 3 upon s power 3, and we know that gamma 3 equal to 2 into 1 into gamma 1. Gamma 1 is equal to 1, so this is equal to 2, and we have this value equal to 2 upon s power 4. ये इसका आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑब्टेन लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म x डबल डैश प्लस 2x डैश माइनस 3x and given conditions are x0 equal to 0 and x dash 0 equal to 1. So we have or we know that Laplace of xt equal to xs. So Laplace of x double dash plus 2x dash minus 3x equal to Laplace of x double dash plus 2 Laplace of x dash minus 3 Laplace of x. By the help of linearity property हम इसको ये लिख सकते हैं। And we know that Laplace of x double dash is equal to s square xs minus s into x0 minus x dash 0 plus Laplace of x dash equal to 2 into x s into xs minus x0 and Laplace of x equal to xs also. So putting the given boundary conditions x0 and x dash 0, x0 equal to 0, x dash 0 equal to 1. So हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पर x square xs minus 1 plus 2s into xs minus 3xs और कॉमन करेंगे तो s स्क्वायर प्लस 2s माइनस 3 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1 आएगा। अब अगर इस क्वेश्चन में इक्वल टू 0 और गिवन होता तो हम एक्स एस की वैल्यू लिख सकते थे। एक्स एस की वैल्यू यहाँ पर आती 1 अपॉन एस स्क्वायर प्लस 2s माइनस 3, ये इसका आंसर होता। और 0 गिवन नहीं है तो ये आंसर लिख के आए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इवेलुएट लाप्लास ऑफ इंटीग्रल 0 to t sin हाइपरबोलिक 3t dt. सो जैसा कि हमें थ्योरम से पता है इंटीग्रल विद लिमिट 0 to t दिख रहा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस इंटीग्रल को यहां से रिमूव करेंगे। लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रल, इस इंटीग्रल को रिमूव करेंगे और 1 अपॉन s लिखेंगे। इसका रोल खत्म हो गया एंड लाप्लास ऑफ साइन हाइपरबोलिक 3t करेंगे। लाप्लास ऑफ साइन हाइपरबोल इवेलुएट लाप्लास ऑफ इंटीग्रल 0 to t sin hyperbolic 3t dt. So we know that by the previous theorem Laplace of Laplace of integral 0 to t sin hyperbolic 3t dt. सो हमारे यहाँ अभी थ्योरम पढ़ी हमने, इस इंटीग्रल को यहाँ से रिमूव करेंगे और इसके प्लेस पर 1/s लिखेंगे और ये जो वैल्यू गिवन है इसके अंदर फंक्शन जिसके लिए हमें इंटीग्रेट करना है उसका लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म लिखेंगे। सो लिखेंगे लाप्लास ऑफ साइन हाइपरबोलिक cos 3t, and we know that the formula of Laplace of sin hyperbolic at equal to a upon s square minus a square. So here a equal to 3, so we can write this is equal to 3 upon s square minus 9. So finally answer is 3 upon s into s square minus 9. Next question is